What's going on, everybody? Crypto Kid here, coming at you guys again with another video. This is just a quick price update on Cosmos Atom. So hopefully you guys watched yesterday's video where we covered what Cosmos was. If you haven't already, go ahead and check that out. But just looking at the markets real quick, we have Cosmos at $36 after a huge pullback. It's fallen to number 25 in coin market cap, down 16% on the day. And if we just looked at yesterday, it was at $43. So just already going from 36 to 43. If it just returns to that price it was at yesterday, and you buy right now, you'll make around 20%, which is obviously a solid mark. But the question is, will it go back up to that price? So that's kind of what this video is about today. I just kind of wanted to argue my sentiment as to why I believe it's going to come back up to that price. So let's go ahead and check out the charts here real quick. So first thing you're going to notice is that price keeps falling to this level here at around anywhere from like $34 to $35. It only really broke once in the past couple of days. But then zooming back further to when this big rally first began, it's going to take us to around December 29th. This rally goes for about 3 days, as you'll see, to January 1st, where we rise all the way from $25 up to almost cracking $37. So it's a $12 increase, and then what you'll see here is a couple waves of a reversal. So boom, drop down, comes back up, drop down, up, drop down, up, drop down, and then another spike. So this is when that second kind of big rally begins. And this is where we start to run into some trouble because we have another rally from January 3rd all the way up to January 5th almost. And we end up going from, let's see, around $34 to $43, $44. And then we start coming back down. So this is the only thing that's scaring me. Is this one almost looks like a false breakout because, I mean, obviously it is now. We know because it did end up falling, but we haven't been able to really crack and sustain this $43, $44 level. And that's definitely concerning, but based on the fact that Stargate just launched, as you guys can see here, obviously check out last video if you don't know what Stargate is. But they just launched a huge upgrade to the platform. There's really only positive momentum for Cosmos as a project in general. The only thing to be concerned about is the fact that Bitcoin and the rest of the market is not doing so hot as of late. So if that downtrend continues, I could see definitely this line being broken for Atom. But as long as Bitcoin doesn't crash below, I'd say like 39K, 38K, I'm not going to be too concerned about the price of Atom. And I think that, you know, the technology will prevail, and the fact that this is clearly the project is getting much better and people are recognizing that, and a lot of money is flooding into this coin. But if the market's just not fit for investments, especially from those with deep pockets, then obviously there's nothing we can really do for Atom. With that being said, if this happens to break down, I'm sticking to it. Atom is a great investment for the next couple of years. Obviously you can earn 4% interest rate on Coinbase, and if you go elsewhere you can actually earn higher. So definitely do your research on that. But Atom, Cosmos, the point is this is a phenomenal project. Might just be bad timing on the upgrade, but maybe not. As long as Bitcoin and the rest of the market can hold here, as we're seeing, we're starting to come back up here to around, let's see, 1.93 trillion as a market. Honestly, this one, it's looking kind of bearish for the market as a whole, but you know, hopefully we start to find some stabilization there and we start to bounce up. But you know, Cosmos, the point is this is a perfect investment to dollar cost average with. You gotta believe that this one is gonna do well by the time it comes to 2024, 2025, and Bitcoin's back on top. So you know what? Regardless of whether or not this goes up or down, you're either making a lot of money in a short period of time or a lot of money in a long period of time is how I'm kind of looking at this one. So this isn't financial advice. It's just my personal opinion, and personally, I do love Cosmos right now, especially with all the new upgrades and everything they're doing. So anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. Let me know in the comments what coins you want to see next. Where do you think that Cosmos Atom is going? We'd definitely be interested to hear. And we're even seeing right now, guys, hopefully, I guess you guys will know by the time this video gets released, but we could be seeing a small little breakout here, as you're seeing starting to formulate. So honestly, if I really had to put my money on it, we're probably going to have at least one more run up to this, to around $43, $44. And whether or not it holds at that point will probably determine the future for Cosmos. But we really, really, really want this run up to come up and confirm, which, I mean, if today's the 8th, this will probably start to go up. I think tomorrow's going to be a fantastic day for Cosmos. And then the 10th will probably be the make or break day as to where we're going in the next couple of days. So stay tuned for that. We'll definitely be keeping you guys updated. But thank you all for watching. Make sure to stick around for the next video. New videos coming out every single day in 2022. See you all. Peace.